Hey guys, and welcome back to the Glow Experience. I am your girl Nisha. Today I am going to be giving you guys a room tour of a room here at the Encore in Las Vegas, on the Las Vegas Strip. We are going to be touring room number E1717. So let's get in. All right, guys. So when you come in, on the wall here, you have, it's all like a digital system here. So just push button. This controls the lights. It controls the curtains, all of that. So that's right there on the wall. Off to the right here is the restroom. Very nice, spacious bathroom. Walk-in shower with the glass doors. Got a handheld shower head in there. Plenty of space for one or two people, guys. Also got a little sitting bench in there, a little edge right there. You can see if you need to shave or do anything. Soaking tub. Some nice artwork on the wall. Then you have a full length mirror here. Beautiful, guys. Double sink vanity here. Plenty of storage underneath. This room also comes with a scale, guys. So if you want to keep track of your weight while you're on vacation or business trips or whatever, they have that provided for you. Got you a pull-out bench here for the vanity part of the sink, as well as this mirror here that illuminates when you need to use it to get ready. We also have a TV here on the wall, guys. Over here is the water closet. Just a standard water closet, toilet. Have a light here on the wall. And this is also digital as well. Just, there you go. Touch. On the wall here you have a phone you can use to call guest services or whatever have you. It's also equipped with a hair dryer, guys. This room, they provide you with guest robes. So there's 2 guest robes there as well. And then we'll come out. Full length mirror here on the wall as you come out of the bathroom. Here is a full closet. Also have a dresser in here that has pull-out drawers as well that you can use. Plenty of storage space, guys, and up above as well. It also has a iron and an ironing board as well. And this is where your safe is. All right, so now that we're in the room, once you enter the room, over here on the left side, guys, I got some nice artwork on the wall. Look, this here too, guys, is really nice. This, I don't know what this is, if it's some sort of wallpaper, grass cloth, I don't know. It's super nice. But you have this nice console table here, and inside of it you have plenty of storage, lit up storage. These drawers does pull out, guys, and this is where your mini bar, mini fridge is in. Fully stocked, guys, fully stocked. But keep in mind, these things cost. So they have a cost attached to them, but it is fully stocked. Up above, nice snack bar here. These things are for additional fee as well, but they do have some really good treats here. Nice ice bucket and glasses. All right, and on this side of the room, nice king size bed and a full water wall mirror, floor to ceiling as well. Have 2 nightstands, both of which have these little pull-out drawers and bedside tables. Lamps on both sides. You have your phone here, and this is some sort of touchscreen tablet. So yeah, got a lot of information. You can control your you have your TV, your room controls on here, TV, entertainment, in-room dining, all your amenities. It has your name, of course, room number. It gives you plenty of information. It's sort of like, well, it's a tablet, just like any tablet that you use, computer, phone, whatever. So you can order all of your room service from here, and you can keep track of the weather, all of that. So that's a nice touch. Over here we have a 50, I think this is maybe a 55-inch TV, guys. I'm not 100% sure, but yes, it's a nice 55-inch TV. We have some storage here, pull out drawers. I don't think this pulls out. No. Pull out drawers. You have another set of drawers on this side as well. And this TV, guys, is on a swivel. So it will turn around completely for if you are sitting in the living area or laying in the bed. So that's really nice. So we'll continue on into the living area. The living room. More storage here. Cocktail table, well, side table, end table. Very nice lamps, guys. Some nice lamps in the room. You have a ottoman here and some very plush, comfortable seating. With, of course, you got this chaise. That's nice when you land and watching out of the room or out of the window. And check out the view. View is beautiful. Beautiful view. We got a view of a lot of Vegas. Hotels, the Strip, mountains, and that's where, right over there, guys, you can see that's where the Cognac Expo is. And golfing green course or whatever. Nice view of Vegas. Over here on the wall, this is your thermostat. Beautiful floor lamp. Desk and chair. More beautiful artwork on the wall. And another chair as well. Alright, guys, so that is a complete room tour of room E1717 at the Encore by Wynn in Las Vegas. So if you decide that you want to come and stay here, call them up, book a room. The rooms are very beautiful, very spacious. This is a very nice hotel, and everyone has been so kind since we've been in the hotel. Very nice, very good customer service. So again, this is off of or on the Vegas Strip in Las Vegas, Nevada. The Encore by Wynn. All right, guys. Thanks again for stopping in and hanging out with me today. So check you in the next video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share, like, and comment. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you for coming back and spending time with us today on this tour of our room here. All right. Hugs, kisses. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.